when I first started learning how to drum, some of the ladies, like when we were doing the co-ed song, or we use it as the dinner song, and they thought that me as a guy coming in, like, oh good, we have a guy here, he can do the song the way the men do it in the solo territory, because I was just learning. They were disappointed. But
I got water, thanks.
some places they don't actually allow the women to drum. Like a lot of the stolo, if you ever drum down where they are, they might frown upon you for actually drumming with them. But I just tell people, like, you know, it's because their ladies, most of their ladies don't drum. Like sometimes you'll just see them with their hand going like that, or they'll just have a rattle.
You'd have most of them will have a rattle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And but I first learned I only know like 2 of their songs.
This is well used rattle.
And like whenever I drum, when people drum with me, like when I was in school, like in NBIT, there were 4 girls from the Chilliwack, Abbotsford area, so they knew the heartbeat song, the chorus song, and I just learned how to do them. So they always wanted to sing their songs up in Merritt, and they liked being at NBIT because then they picked up the drum and they were drumming. When I went down to sheetl one time and I saw 3 of them, and I called them up, oh yeah, come on, let's drum. I said, oh, we can't drum down here. I was like, what? It's like, we don't drum down here. I was like, oh, why is that? And they said, just the way it is. So there's some places when you go, like they do that. I don't know why, but I try to be respectful of like wherever I go drum. And like I was saying before, when I lead a song, like when I teach the kids, I say, okay, this is how I do the song. And I said, if you go up to the Statling territory over the Okanagan, or if you go down to the Citxw area, I said, whoever leads the song down there, you got to follow them.